Hey friends, we're in the kitchen again. It's where we've been, it seems like, the whole quarantine time, but we're going to make carne asada. Hopefully all you Hispanic people out there don't critique me on my pronunciation. But anyways, we just got skirt steak, which I've taken and trimmed as much of the gristle and the skin off as I can. A lot of it. I guess I could have do a little better, but here's the ingredients we're going to use, and we're going to put all the ingredients in this pan and make like a marinade to marinate this meat. And we're going to marinate in the refrigerator for probably 3 or 4 hours, and then we're going to grill it. You can use it for like meat and salads. You can make fajitas, tacos. You can just eat it as the main course. You can do whatever you want. So, all right, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take a whole head of cilantro and just chop it as fine as you can. We're just going to dump it in this deal here. Get all that in there. And then we are going to take 3 tablespoons, or I didn't actually use it, but it's about that much garlic. We're going to sprinkle that through there. You can use fresh garlic, cloves. If you're going to do the cloves, you do about 3 cloves, but we buy the fresh, already minced at Walmart in this. It's in the produce section, I think. So, anyways, we're going to do that. We're going to take about 3 or 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Sprinkle that through there. We're going to take about 3 or 4 tablespoons of pepper.
I think it's teaspoons.
Is it teaspoons?
You don't want that much pepper. Yeah.
And the same amount of kosher salt.
You can just use as much as you want or as little as you want.
I think the salt helps break down the meat. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And the zest and the juice from 1 lime. If you keep your limes at room temperature, they'll produce more juice. I guess if it's you've kept them in the refrigerator, you could either set them out or pop them in the microwave for a few seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and zest the skin of this up, and then I'm going to cut it in half, and then we're going to squeeze it in there. And we'll be back in a minute. All right, we'll squeeze this in here. That's 1. 2. Whoops. And I forgot, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And we're going to do 1/2 cup of olive oil. Alright, now get a spoon here. And we'll just stir all that up and get our marinade ready. And then we're going to put our meat in there and get all them sugar and spices all stirred up here. Smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Smells a little spicy too for some reason. I think that cumin has a different smell to it. By the way, this is the first time we've made this, so we're going to be the guinea pigs, but it looks like to me that it's going to be worth the trial run.
I think we're going to like it.
Alright, I think that's about ready. So now, we're going to take our meat, and we're just going to lay it in there. And I'm going to spoon some of that up on here and just let it get around on that dude. And I may just even turn it over into there. And we're using skirt steak, like I said before. I seen one video where somebody used, I think they called it top sirloin. You can use if you would rather. I'm gonna try this. It's basically the same thing. I think it might be a little bit, maybe it's a hair better cut of meat. I don't know.
Poor Drake.
All right. I think that we are
Going to put it in the fridge for a few hours.
I think we're fully engulfed. So I think I may put saran wrap over the top to keep it from drying out a little bit.
Foil or something. It looks delicious.
It looks really wonderful to me.
All right, we'll come back when it's time to grill it. Time to cook up this to see what it's going to do. How long are you going to cook it?
About 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. This is a little thicker, so maybe a little longer.
Make the middle kind of medium.
Yeah. That's what you want right there.
Okay.
Hot as you can get it seared up.
So he switched it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll flip it over and do the other side, then it should be done. Look at the plate.
Had it in the pit for the flavor of the charcoal, but then we just put it over here for the finish it up because we don't want to overcook it.
Oh yeah, look at those nice sear lines in there. That oil is what's see if you let that oil.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll let it go just about another 3 or 4 minutes. And we'll be able to take it off.
Done?
Yep. It's sizzling.
It smells divine.
Okay, you can take it in there and slice it up and see if it's what it looks like. All right, let's see what we've done. All right, so the grain's going this way, so we want to cut it against the grain. Looks plenty juicy.
Yeah, it's tender looking.
I might have actually cooked it a little too long if you want it medium.
Yeah.
Next time I'll do
Hey, the
less.
bigger piece though, that's kind of a little piece. Let's try it.
Go ahead.
I can't wait. Hot.
Yeah, this is a little more.
It's good.
It smells really good. Look how this is going to be juicy or tender. I'll try it when we get to the table. I'm working right now.
That's good, isn't it?
That was wonderful seasonings.
We're going to be doing that I would
more
say
often.
quite often. And even with some chicken, I think
Yeah.
it would be really
You
good.
could probably do any kind of meat like that for fajitas. Or,
Shrimp.
I wouldn't mind just eating that for the main meal. Okay, so we're going this way, so I want to cut it that way, but I'm going to cut it in half.
All right, guys, we'll go to the table and we'll see what our fajita's gonna look like.
Thank you, Lord, for all you've done for us, for giving us this food. Bless it to our bodies, to strengthen us, serve you. In your name we ask, amen.